Namaste, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. Today I am teaching you business planning process. Basically, what is business plan? Business plan is a written document prepared by the entrepreneur that describes all the relevant external and internal elements involved in starting new venture. It is an integration of functional plans such as marketing, finance, manufacturing, and human resource plan. A business plan is a blueprint of step-by-step process that would be followed to convert business idea into successful business venture. Then objective or importance of business plan. To give direction to the vision formulated by the entrepreneur, to objectively evaluate the prospectus of business and to monitor the progress after implementing business plan, to persuade others to join the business, to seek loan from the financial institutions, to visualize concept in terms of market availability, organizational, operational and financial feasibility, and to guide entrepreneur in actual implementation of the plan, and to identify actual strength and weakness of the plan, to identify challenges in terms of opportunities and threats from the external markets, and to clarify ideas and identify gaps in management information about their business, competitors, and market, to identify the resources that would be required to implement the plan, and to document ownership arrangements, future prospectus, and projected growth of the business venture. Then business plan process include the idea generation, environmental scanning, feasibility analysis, project report preparation, and evaluation, control and review. In business planning process, first step is idea generation, and this is the step where differentiates entrepreneur from usual business. An entrepreneur may come up with new business idea or may bring in new value addition to existing market product in the market, and sources of new idea for entrepreneurs are consumers, customers, existing companies, research and development, employees, dealers, retailers. Idea can be generated anywhere. For example, in the market only right hand tools are available which can operate by the right hand, but there are lots of people who are lefties. For lefties you can prepare tools, and there is a huge market for that. Then environmental scanning. Once the entrepreneur is through the idea generation stage, next entrepreneur is required to conduct environmental scanning, which includes analyzing external and internal environment that affects business idea. External environment comprises of socio-culture appraisal, and it gives brief overview about the culture and tradition existing in the society. It is comprised of values and beliefs of the people, which determines the acceptance of the product by the customer in the market. Then technological appraisal. It assesses various technological options available to convert an idea to the product, and it also provides a brief overview about the technological updation. Economic appraisal. It assesses the status of the society in terms of economic development, per capita income, national income, consumption pattern in the business. Then demographic appraisal. It assesses the population pattern of given demographic area, which include the sex, age profile, and distribution, etc. Then economic appraisal, it assesses the status of the society in terms of economic development, per capita income, national income, consumption pattern in the business. Then demographic appraisal, it assesses the population pattern of the given geographic area, which includes the gender, age profile, distribution, etc. Then government appraisal, it assesses the various legislation, policies, incentives formulated for particular industry. Flexibility of these rules determine ease for entrepreneur in terms of opening venture in particular area. Then internal environment. First is raw material. It refers in terms of availability of raw material required for the process of production. If the raw material availability is at distance place and is very expensive, then entrepreneur should give second thought to the same. Production or operation, it assesses the availability of various machineries, equipments, tools and techniques that would be required for the production. Then finance, it studies total requirement of finance in terms of startup expenses, fixed expenses, running expenses, etc. Then market refers to the study on potential customer and target market customers in the market. Then human resource, it refers to demand and supply of required human resource in market and estimation of expenses to be incurred on human resource. Feasibility analysis, it refers to conducting detailed analysis in relation to every aspect relevant to business and determining credibility of business. Then market analysis is conducted to estimate the demand and market share for proposed product and service in future, and demand and market analysis is based on factors like consumption pattern, availability of substitute goods and services, etc. Technical and operational analysis is to assess operational ability of proposed business enterprise. Technical or operational analysis collects the data on the following parameters, that is material availability, material requirement planning, plant location, plant capacity and machinery equipment. Then marketing plan, it lays down the strategies of marketing which can lead to success of business plan, strategies and terms in terms of marketing mix which includes product price, place, promotion, which determines the potential demand of customers for product in the market. Then production plan and operational plan. Production plan is drafted for manufacturing sector, whereas operational plan is designed for the business into the service sector. And it comprises of strategies on parameters such as location, layout, cost availability of material and human resources, etc. Then organizational plan, it defines types of ownership, pattern in company, sole trading concern, family business, private or public limited company, etc. Then financial plan, it indicates that requirement of proposed business enterprise, which includes fund flow, cash flow statement, break-even point, and projected ratio, projected balance sheet. These marketing plan, production plan, organizational plan, and financial plan we will discuss in our future sessions. Then project report preparation, it is a written document and describes step-by-step strategies involved in the starting and running business. We will learn how to write a project report in our another session. Then evaluation, control and review. As a company operates in dynamic environment, company has to monitor and review strategies and policies to stay in line with competition existing in the market. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this.